So when it comes to investing, a lot of people get caught up in the price of an investment. They're constantly checking the stock price, hoping that maybe they could time the market and make a quick profit. But here's the thing when it comes to investing into the stock market, it's not a get rich quick scheme. But on the other hand, it is a long-term game that requires patience, discipline, and a focus on quality investments over a long period of time. So rather than obsessing over trying to get the very best price possible on an investment, successful investors focus and prioritize trying to get into the highest quality investment possible, which means doing your research on the company, understanding the company's fundamentals, and also the market trend. All right, so by you taking the approach of focusing on very high quality investments and businesses means that you are going to be invested into the type of companies that have a proven track history of success, sound management in place, and a proven business model, which means that these companies are going to have long-term potential for growth as well as profitability, which means as you as the investor into these companies have all the potential for your investments to grow steadily over a long period of time. All right, so before you ever invest a single dollar into any company or any stock, what you want to make sure is that you understand exactly what these companies do, how they make their money, who they are, what their outlooks for the future are like. And the reason for doing this is because the reality is in the stock market, there is wild swings to the upside, there is wild swings to the downside, and you do not want to get rocked or like have your nerves wrecked by the fact that the market is swinging up or down, and that's going to cause you to question yourself and question your investments. You're going to be thinking, are they good? Was I wrong about this? All of those things. So the better and the more that you understand exactly the type of investments that you are invested into and what the quality of those companies are, the more that you're going to be able to hold true to exactly your investing strategy is, exactly when there's those wild swings either to the downside or to the upside. So make sure that you understand those investments very well before you ever commit a single dollar to them. Okay, so there's two things that I want you to keep in mind as you are using this strategy of making it your focus to invest into very high quality businesses and stocks. The first one is that you do not need to worry about day-to-day market fluctuations and prices. Like if the market's going down a little bit, or the market's going up a little bit, or the market falls a lot, or the market goes up a lot. It doesn't matter. It's irrelevant to you because you are invested for a long period of time. You are trying to reach financial freedom, or you are trying to get to some net worth goal. That should be your real ultimate objective. Accumulating enough of the assets that you need, enough of the stocks, or enough of that particular type of investment that you are looking to gain, that is going to be giving you the type of returns over the long run that's going to get you to that net result of the net worth, or whatever that financial number is that you were looking to get. So do not worry about the day-to-day market fluctuations. The second thing that you need to keep in mind and just remember as you are using this strategy is that the price that you pay for an investment is not quite as important as the value that that investment is going to bring to your portfolio. Because if you invest into what looks like, oh, hey, this is a really cheap stock, I'm going to go ahead and buy it, but the returns are either zero or they're even negative, by default, that was actually a very expensive investment because you did not gain anything. If anything, you actually lost. You lost time and you lost money. So that was like a terribly expensive investment. Where the flip side of that is also true. Had you look at a company or a stock and you say, hey, that looks really, really expensive. It's a high dollar number. But when you look at the value that that company will add to your portfolio, after you research the company, you understand exactly what they do, and you're like, hey, this is like an awesome company. They're going to grow a whole lot over the foreseeable future. Then that price is not actually very expensive when you realize how much that company is going to grow over the long run. So this is why I'm saying, do not worry about the day-to-day, and also do not just focus solely on the price. I'm not saying price does not matter at all, but do not make looking at a price of investment like your sole judgment on whether or not you're going to invest into something. Focus on investing in quality companies and keep your mindset focused on the long run. Hey, so if you made it to this point in the video, I would really appreciate it a whole lot if you would just find that thumbs up button right below. Give that thumbs up button a quick tap for me. It would really help my channel a lot. I would really appreciate it. It helps this video get out to a wider and wider audience, help more people get this financial information. And hey, if you would like to watch another video from me, a video is going to pop up here on the screen. Be sure to click that video and I will catch you in that next video.